Hey guys, welcome back to Stuie's Garage. This short video is just going to show how to pull a dash on a 95 Mitsubishi Mirage 2-door. It's a 1.8 liter, so little thing. It's actually my first car. So the heater core's leaking. I got my new heater core here. But anyways, I'm pulling out the dash. The real hard part I had was detaching the upper portion from it, from the actual vehicle. And it's because there's two 10s hidden down these side vents. And so you'll be able to like pop these vents out and there'll be a 10 down the hole. And that's going to release the upper portion. All the other stuff is pretty self-explanatory, or like if you've pulled a dash before, pretty simple to figure out, you know, just like basic nuts and bolts and screws and everything, pulling the steering wheel, not too bad, and electrical connectors. But that was what I struggled with, was finding that hidden bolt in either side. So there's a bolt down those vents. One more tip I would say is you should disconnect your battery, because you will be disconnecting the airbags and you don't want any voltage fluctuation. You might set them off. So make sure you disconnect your battery before you start your repair. I pulled this cowl because I thought there'd be screws there, but there's not. Here's kind of a view of where I'm at. I will update. Instrument cluster actually removed pretty easily, so that's nice if you need to replace light bulbs and stuff. The instrument cluster is actually super easy to pull out, so you can do that if you need to replace lights or clean it or whatever. But yep, going well, almost out. Got the dash out, able to prop it over to the side. I really only need access to the center, not the driver's side. I've got this case rocked forward. There's the heater core, you can see. So how this is set up, you got the blower motor here, you've got the cooling unit here, and then you've got the vent slash heater core unit. So heating, cooling, blower, and the heater core is within kind of the main case that has all the vents and louvers and things. So here it is, just took this out. Little tiny retaining bracket. And then the hoses go through this weird bracket thing. I can tell the bracket has two screws in it, right in the back of the case, so I'll have to get those out somehow. And then we should be free to pull this thing up, and we'll look at the carnage. Okay, got that little bracket off the hoses. And now we can pop this heater core right out, maybe. There she comes. Woo! Wow, look at that. You can see why it failed. It's old. As old as me, 28 years. Oh, we got some residue down there. Look at all that. All right, we'll clean that up. But we have removed the heater core that I've wanted to remove for like 12 years. So, gross.